All right, we have the SPY top of the box getting to that, coming towards these highs, gapping up each time, pretty much boom, gap, gap, and continuing up. The volume is decreasing a little bit, but the MACD is about to curl to be bullish, so looks good right here, right now. Still just sideways. We extend this out. We've been talking about this box for a little while, so you can see that it's just, you can pretty much just extend it out a little bit, extend this out a little bit, and it's not going to give me exact, but you can see we're still in this very, very tight range, so just be very, very careful. MACD is still bearish, but it's continuing high. The reason why, I don't know, don't care. So we just got to look at it. The price action just needs to give me some type of flag, and then we could continue to the upside. QQQ. QQQ is not giving me. It's good to be over. Damn, I got a lot of crap on this. Hold on, let me take all this shit off. Who wants to look at all that? So it's good that it's recaptured the 10. Definitely great to see this MACD, but we still have a lot of stuff to go through. And if we put, a line right here, let's say we had this line that it did get above. So we see that we had this pivot point that it got above. Volume isn't that great, but I want to see some type of follow through. And if we have a trend line that we say, I would like to have 3 points, but we could see the lower highs, and you could actually see, if I do this as well, we kind of have like a rounding, it's high, lower, low, lower, low. And is this the head and shoulder neckline, and now it's coming to retest? I don't know, but we just have to kind of see what happens and goes from there, because it's just testing the bottom of this. We need to at least get above this trend line if it's gonna continue to the upside. The Russell is coming back, looking to get back into this channel. It still has to chew through this, and we do have bearish MACD on the weekly as well, so that's something that we could look out for. This is something I was looking at. Remember I was saying that it might have a head and shoulders and then it didn't pan out. Do we have an inverse head and shoulders now? Do we have the left shoulder, head, and right shoulder that we are popping up above the neckline? The only problem is to me is that this is the Dow. The Dow consists of 30. I want the S&P to give me some more sexiness, and it so far looks good. I mean, there's nothing I could complain about. If it continues up, then that's fine. So let's look at some names. Priceline ripped up 5% today. Still, you say it's 5%. Well, how much was this down? Well, it was down 15%. So it came back 5%. So let's not have a parade over this thing, but it did support a key level that we've been talking about. And once it got above, it looked good and continued to the upside. I don't know if you hold this overnight. If you got in, congratulations. We have LinkedIn. That one still looks sick to me. It didn't give me an engagement point, but I was definitely looking to short this today. You have Netflix. Netflix is down, what? Almost 22%. So let's not make a 3.5% move to the upside. Get us, with it's not shit and giggles all of a sudden. It's not to say, oh my God, I can't believe. No, it's not really that good when we look at it. Some names that did look good. We had in the industrials, we have Caterpillar that might be setting up. We have EMR that might be setting up to just flag in and continue to the higher side. I was in Western Digital, which did pretty well today, and also Delta. That one did well today, holding some overnight for that as well. I did look also at Qualcomm, looks good. If you didn't get in today, you could definitely get in tomorrow if we have some follow through with the volume. I like the way the volume weakened. You see it weakened from here, and now it's matching, and all we need is to see if it can increase to the upside. So that's a good sign as well. We have the energy sector, I have NG, and I have ETE. That looks good. Also have MJN. That looks good as well. If you're looking at that, it does have some stuff to come through, but maybe the same type of pattern that was on the diamond might help with this one. SLB, that one looks like it's just flagging, like it could just be a flag setting up, and just kind of go from like that, and then just continue the upside. So keep that one on the watch list and radar as well. Hess continues to look good. The volume has increased. So this one looks good as well. We ideally would like to get here, or maybe, you know, right here. But if we didn't, we can still get in and not feel like we're chasing too much. So, but then, well, it broke above these. And ExxonMobil might be giving you a flag to get to the upside. That was not a good flag, but to the upside as well. So let's look at that. And those are names that I have for tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a little bit more research later tonight, but wanted to get this out. So take care.